Intro to questions 10 to 15 says, your homework assignment is to graph this function. Your math teacher says, she then points to the function on the board, f of x equals x squared minus 2x. In this case, the function is not limited by a real-world situation. Therefore, it is important to use different types of domain values as you prepare to graph. Using various values for x, make a table of values for f of x equals x squared minus 2x. So let's try some different values. Let's throw some negatives in there. How about we go -4? Let's throw in -2. We'll do a 0. We'll do 1, 2, and 4. How do those sound? Okay. I'm going to plug those into my function, which says -4 squared minus 2 times -4. That's going to be a positive 24. All right, let's try -2. So we're going to change this to a -2 way over here. And we're going to change this to a -2 way here. That value is 8. Let's try 0. Delete that, make this a 0. Delete that, make this a 0. Okay, 0 at 0. Okay, let's try 1. One is at -1. Okay, let's try 2. It's going to be 2 and 2. We got 0. And let's try 4. Eight. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you, this one's going to be off my grid. Even though -8 is on my x-axis, 24 is not on the y. So it will actually be way off my grid. Okay? Let's take a look. -2, 8 is up here. 0, 0 is right here. 1, -1 is right here. 2, 0 is located right there. And then we've got 4, 8, like so. So it looks like we've got this curve, something like this. And remember that 24 would have been like way up here. I mean, it's way up there somewhere, okay? What are you seeing? I'm seeing like this U shape. Describe the difference between the domain of f of x equals x squared minus 2x and the domain of Galileo's function. Well, for f of x equals x squared minus 2x, there are no restrictions on the domain. Whereas with Galileo's function, the domain restricted us to first quadrant only. State the range of f of x equals x squared minus 2x. So what is my range? Well, it looks like both of the lines are going upward towards infinity on the y-axis, but they have a low value right here at -1. So my range is y greater than or equal to -1. Identify the y-intercept. Now remember, y-intercept is where is it across the y-axis. That would be at the origin 0, 0. What is the absolute maximum and what is the absolute minimum? Well, if you look at this, there is no absolute max. Absolute min, though, is that lowest value of -1. All right, make sure you get 10 through 15 copied down. On the next slide, you're going to see your vocab matching on x-intercepts and y-intercepts. Good luck. Don't forget to turn in this presentation when you're through.